subscribers, welcome back to our channel Schematics Tutorial. In this video we are going to see how to fill CSIR NET 2023 online application form step by step clearly. Open the web browser, type NTA CSIR NET. From that select the second option CSIR NET exam. So a web page will be open. From that select here CSIR UGC NET web registration is website and registration is there. So click on that. A new page will be open. So here we have a public notice, join CSIR NET application and the latest news. Click on the latest news for registration. So once you have clicked on that, page is opened here. So we have here 3 steps to apply online for CSIR NET. So the step 1 is apply for online registration. Second one, fill up the application form. Third one, pay the examination fees. So one more important thing is here, if you are a new candidate, you have to register there. Click on that and register. Otherwise you can log in here with your application and password. So let us click on new candidate, register here. So I am going to explain completely. So here we have the details. First they have mentioned as the fees according to the category wise. So for OBC 550, SC or ST 275, physically handicapped no fees to be paid by them. And first step is registration form. We have to fill up the registration form. Second one is the application form. So we need to fill up the application form. And the third one is you need to upload the documents like signature, photo and whatever category certificates if applied, and PWD certificate, finally result awaiting certificate. So here they have mentioned as the format of photograph and all the scanned certificate sizes. So photograph should be like 10 to 200 KB. It should be like between 10 to 200 KB. Signature 4 KB to 30 KB. Certificates whatever we have seen above, like PWD certificate, result awaiting or category certificate, that must be like 10 KB to 300 KB. Next third step is to pay the examination fee by net banking or debit card or credit card. Next, one more important step is like setting up the password. So the password should contain 8 to 13 characters and one uppercase letter should be there, that means a capital letter, one lowercase letter which is a small letter, and one numeric letter, numeric value, or some 0 to 9 you can mention any one of the letter, and last one special character should be there. So it must totally 8 characters should be there. From that, one must be uppercase, one must be lowercase, numeric value and special characters. These 4 things we should not forget, and you can reset your password anytime. So click on I have downloaded the new information bulletin which is given above. So click on download information bulletin. So the instruction will be given in this PDF. You can go through that later. Now click here to proceed. So a web page is open. First thing you need to do is enter your personal details according to your 10th class certificate. Enter your name, father name, mother name as per 10th class certificate. Next comes the date of birth. So select your date of birth over there. Enter email address. After that, once again you need to enter your email address to confirm your email address. Next comes the gender. Select your gender. Next, mobile number. Enter your mobile number. Once again you need to enter it to confirm it once again. If you have any alternate mobile number, you can enter, otherwise it's optional. Next, identity type. You have to select from the given option. If you select PAN card, you need to enter its identification number in the next column, next row. Otherwise, if you want to enter Aadhaar card number, you can select other valid government identity with photograph. So by this, personal details section is completed. Next we have other sections about address. So in that we have two, present address and permanent address. So first comes present address. Type your present address details. The first one is premises number, which is house number, locality, country, state, district and pin code. Next, if your present address is same as permanent address, then you can click on same as present address. All the details which you have entered in present address comes to the permanent address, no need to fill. Otherwise, if your present address is different from permanent address, you need to fill up both the sections. So by that, address topic is completed. Next comes choose password. This is very important. Now create a password with 4 important points. First thing, you need to start with a capital letter and a small letter should be there, a digit and a special character should be there in your password. So our channel name is Thematics Tutorial. Let us create with that. S capital letter, T A M A T are small letters, @ it is a special character, 6. So it also contains a digit. So our 4 points have come here, like S capital letter, T is a small letter, remaining all letters are also small letters, @ is a special character and 6 is a digit. So our password creation is completed. Once again you need to confirm it. If you forget the password, you need to reset it. So for that, a security question is asked. You can select any of this question. What is the name of your first school, or what is your mother name? My mother name is Uma. So I am selecting that question. So security answer I have given as Uma. Next comes security pin. So enter the security pin in case sensitive. Whatever they have given in above, we have to type there and click on submit. So 80555011 is your security pin which is given above, and now we are going to click on submit. So this process is completed. Your details are displayed here. Check your details and click on my name, father name, mother name, date of birth, mobile number, email ID and gender. Check it once again, and declaration, click on I agree, and finally click on submit and send OTP, so that your OTP will be sent to your mail ID. So check your mail ID and enter the OTP in email OTP. Also enter the captcha given above. Once you have done that, click on verify. So by this, your registration process is completed and application number will be sent to your mail ID. So collect your application number, and now you can log in with your application number and password which we have created. So near registered candidate login, you can type your application number, password, enter the security pin which is shown below, and then click on login. So a page will be open. You can see here our registration is completed. So our second step is to fill up the application form. So complete application form, click on that. So first thing, you need to fill up your personal details. Already some details we have given, so it has displayed that. Some other details like you need to fill the category, and if you are a diabetic, click yes, otherwise no. And PWD percentage they are asking. Next, annual income of parents. After that, nationality Indian, you have only one option. Next, enter the captcha and click on I agree and save and next. That is completed. Next comes the address topic. Already you have entered your address, that's why you just need to enter only the captcha and I agree. So third one is, do you have Aadhaar number? So if you have Aadhaar number, click on S, select S, enter your Aadhaar card number and then enter captcha. After that click on I agree, then save and next. So Aadhaar details are also completed. Next comes the exam center details. Click on apply for. So what you are applying for? You are applying for JRF, means click on JRF, otherwise LS or assistant professor. Click on any one of the options. So if your marks are above LS and below JRF, if you have given JRF option also, you will be qualified for assistant professor. So give JRF. Next opt which subject, you can select your subject. Next first center preference. So Telangana I'm giving here randomly. So from after Telangana, second option is like you can give anything, just like that I have given Andhra Pradesh. Next third center Assam, fourth and Delhi. So next select the question paper medium. After that you have subject specialization. As I have given marks, I have selected applied mathematics. Next our center first preference is Telangana. From that you can select the place. I have selected Hyderabad. Second one randomly I have selected from Andhra Pradesh, Anantapur. Assam some randomly we have selected. Delhi, so in Delhi we have only one option, so we have selected that. Next select your father's occupation, mother's occupation, and father qualification, mother qualification. Next whether you have taken admission in PhD or MPhil, you can give. If you have admission in PhD, you can give yes, otherwise you can click no. After that whether if you have any pursuing degree or result awaiting is there, so click on yes, otherwise if you have already got your result, click then on no. So next whether you have completed master degree or equivalent course, then click on S because you have completed MSc. Enter the captcha and click on save and next. So next comes your education qualification details. So first one is pass status, whether you have passed or result is awaiting. So if you have passed, click on passed. So type the year. First we are entering only the graduation details, so fill up your graduation details. From that you can select any course. If your course is not there, then click on other and just type the course stream in the beside column. Next qualifying examination from India, so you need to fill all these details, state and board or university name. So you can give Osmania University, and you can give here institute name and address. The institute name and address. So after that you have institute pin code. So enter your institute pin code. So university, Osmania University pin code is 5,07,000. So I have entered that. Next comes result mode. Click on that whether you have percentage or grading system. Here it is percentage. Enter percentage, then total marks, and whatever marks you have obtained that you have to give. So by that graduation details column section is completed. Next you have post graduation details. So there you can select like passed or awaiting, result is awaiting, that you can select, and year of passing you can give. Next whatever the course you have taken, like MSc equivalent or others, you can give MSc equivalent. Now enter the course like mathematics, MSc mathematics, MSc BSc Statistics, Computer Science, whatever. Next, qualifying examination from India you can select, and the state also in India. Next, university or board name. So Usmania University, Kakatiya University, whatever it may be. Next, enter the institution name where you have completed your PG. After that, also enter same like previous graduation details. Here also you have to enter your institute pin code. Next, you have a result mode. Like previously we have taken percentage. Now let us take CGPA. So maximum grade point will be like a 10, and whatever the grade point you have obtained in your examination, type that, and that percentage also you have to mention. After that, enter the captcha and click on I agree. Declaration you have given. After that, save and next. Click on save and next. So next, doctorate. If you have additional details we have to enter. If you have PhD, then this you have to give all your details. Otherwise, no, you are not a doctoral student means you can click no. Next, minority details also you have to give. If you belong to minority, then click yes, otherwise no. Again, enter the captcha, click on I agree. Next, click on save and next. So next comes the document upload section. You need to upload photo, signature and category certificate according to the size mentioned. So but a photo and signature you can upload in JPG or JPEG format, but category certificate you have to upload in PDF format only. So it is going to accept only PDF format. So you have uploaded the documents, click on final submit. After that, mobile verification should be done, and finally proceed to your fee payment by clicking on pay now. So your registration is completed. Hope you like the video. Please subscribe, like and share the video. Thank you for watching.